The Kia EV4 is Kia's latest addition to its growing lineup of all-electric vehicles, slotting in as a compact electric crossover designed to offer modern styling, solid performance, and cutting-edge tech at an affordable price. It's part of Kia's broader EV strategy, which includes models like the EV6 and EV9, and the EV4 aims to capture the attention of younger urban drivers who want an efficient EV that doesn't compromise on design or features. Starting with its definition and purpose, the Kia EV4 is built on Kia's dedicated eGMP platform, which is specifically engineered for electric vehicles. This means it benefits from a flat floor, better weight distribution, and improved handling compared to traditional combustion engine cars. The EV4 is essentially designed to bridge the gap between affordability and innovation in the compact EV segment. It's not trying to be a luxury SUV or a high-performance EV. Instead, it targets practicality with style. Looking at the exterior, the Kia EV4 brings a unique and fresh design language. It has sharp lines and bold geometry, with a futuristic aesthetic that doesn't go overboard. The front end features Kia's signature tiger face, reimagined in a more angular and digital form, giving the vehicle a striking presence. The LED headlights are slim and sharply contoured, with a distinctive daytime running light pattern that makes it stand out on the road. The side profile is sleek with a sloping roofline and flush door handles, which not only look good, but also improve aerodynamics. At the back, the EV4 sports a compact tailgate with sharp tail lamps and a sculpted bumper, tying the whole design together with a clean, modern look. In terms of performance, the Kia EV4 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including both single and dual motor variants. The base model comes with a front-wheel drive setup and an estimated range of around 300 miles, depending on battery configuration. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version is more powerful and offers better acceleration, expected to hit 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds. The EV4 benefits from the eGMP platform's 800-volt architecture, allowing for ultra-fast charging, up to 80% in about 18 minutes using a high-power DC fast charger. It also features regenerative braking, drive mode select, and a low center of gravity, all contributing to a smooth and confident ride. It's not a sports car, but it handles city and highway driving with ease and offers a very quiet, refined experience. Inside the cabin, the Kia EV4 continues the futuristic and minimalist approach. It features a dual-screen layout with a large digital instrument cluster and an infotainment display that blend into one continuous panel. Kia has incorporated sustainable materials throughout the cabin, including recycled fabrics and plant-based plastics, adding to the EV4's eco-friendly credentials. The dashboard is simple yet functional, with haptic touch controls and ambient lighting that adds a premium touch. The seating is comfortable with plenty of legroom and headroom for a compact crossover, and the rear seats fold flat to expand. Cargo space. It also includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. When it comes to pricing, Kia is positioning the EV4 as an affordable EV alternative. The base model is expected to start around $35,000, making it competitive with vehicles like the Hyundai Kona Electric and Chevrolet Equinox EV. Higher trims with all-wheel drive, larger batteries, and added tech features may push the price up to around $45,000. Overall, it offers solid value for money considering its range, technology, and design. In conclusion, the Kia EV4 is shaping up to be a compelling option for anyone looking to make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. It's stylish, efficient, and packed with features, making it one of the most promising